What do we have here? Hey guys, Brian with Nichols Marine here in Norman. Today I have arguably the nicest 2021 Vexus VX21 on the market. Beautiful graphite metallic hard case paint, Mercury 300R racing. Boat's only got 65 hours on it. Atlas hydraulic jack plate, dual 8-foot power poles. This boat is in showroom condition. Super clean. Let's jump in and see what we got for equipment. All right, up at the bow, we got an 8612 GPS map, Garmin 36 trolling motor, Livescope, power pole stomp switches. Back here at the helm, immediately blown away by the 8616 Garmin, Mercury SmartCraft, hot foot, Infinity onboard audio. This is a Victor package boat, so of course we got air ride seats. Boat is complete with lithium batteries, including dedicated power source up to the bow. 85,000 bucks here at Nichols Marine, 1700 Brandon Boulevard, or come check out any of our other hundreds of boats at nicholsmarine.com.